Today you will see how to clean a microwave using 3 things you have at home. But is it really dangerous to have a dirty microwave oven? The answer is yes. Dirty microwaves not only pose a healthy risk with bacteria, but they can also lead to other problems. Come to think of it, besides the germ factor, what else is lurking in there? And because of splattered food, it can attract insects and bugs like roaches and ants, which we don't like. And because it's warm and moist, it can develop mold and bacteria. Also, cross-contamination can occur when you don't clean your microwave regularly. So what we can do is to avoid spills and to clean it regularly. So what are the 3 things we need to clean a microwave oven? 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and a cup of vinegar. If you don't want to use chemicals, that's fine. Just use water, lemon, and vinegar. Okay, let's start. Let's pour a cup of water in a bowl and make sure that bowl is microwavable. And then squeeze some lemon. Put 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in the bowl. And lastly, pour in a cup of vinegar. Any vinegar would do. Now you can set your microwave timer to high for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you'll notice moisture forming inside, and that will be a sign that it's ready. You will smell lemons and vinegar once you open the door, and that's what you want. Now we can remove the bowl from the microwave and start the cleaning process. For the glass plate, clean it separately with soap and water. You can use a cloth or a paper towel for wiping. Make sure to use 2 separate cloths for the inside and the outside of the microwave oven. And now our microwave oven is sparkling clean. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos.